is the best part. This is the best part. This is the best part. This is the best part. Oh, oh, when you do to my heart. This is the best part. 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 Oh, oh, when you do to my heart. This is the best part. It
Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. What's up? Alright, already. The show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on.
Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that shit that make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats. Then get busy on they ass. See, that's how that Chi-Town made me, that's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you'll never have to pay me. Go and put your hands up, when times is hard you stand up. L.U.P. the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on alright. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on.
One in the air for the people ain't here. Two in the air for the father that's there. Three in the air for the kids in the ghetto. Four for the kids that don't wanna be there. None for the niggas trying to hold him back. Five in the air for the teacher not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the niggas holding back, that the world is theirs. Yeah, yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified of the world. Now I'm on a world tour. I will give up everything, even start a world war for these ghetto girls and boys. I'm rapping around the world for Africa to New York, Haiti then I detour, Oakland out to Oakland, Gaza Strip to Detroit. Say hip hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't have a gun and never be a D-boy.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on alright. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on.
So no matter what you've been through, no matter what you into, no matter what you see, when you look outside your window, brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put them down. You just lift your arms higher, raise them till your arms tired. Let them know you there, that you struggling, surviving, that you gon' persevere. Yeah, ain't nobody leaving, nobody going home. Even if they turn the lights out, the show is going on. Alright.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on alright. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on.
What's up, Chad? I hope you guys are ready for it. Welcome to the Pips and Tips. I think Chris had some fun with naming that one last night. But welcome back, guys. I hope you guys are ready for a goodie today. Markets are coming alive. We've had a full day of news with PMI, coming out with everything. But don't worry, we still have dollar coming out, guys. I hope you guys are still always enjoying the tunes, little pre-show. You know how New York does it, baby. We do it big. But JV, my man, looking fresh. He's just naturally bringing the vibes here today. How you doing, my brother?
I'm always good, always good. How are you doing?
Always good, my brother. So, all right, guys, let's just go over this news quickly. For the first time, we can actually look at news because we've got some fundamentals coming out today. Obviously, PMI that we've all done with currencies this morning session, the opening bell. But now going into New York, the big one we're going to look at. Personally, I'm not really going to look at CAD. CAD will affect dollar, but it's not something I'm going to be trading. So just one for the guys, if you don't know, even though, yes, you can get, for example, USD CAD. CAD does actually affect, whenever CAD in general has news, that does actually play a part on dollar. You guys can go back test that and check that one out. But all right, with dollar, we have got PMI, guys, so that's what we want to be keeping our eye out for today. That coming out at 4:45. So basically after that 50-minute market shuffle, we probably won't take anything. We are just going to wait for that news to come out. No point in taking that. We already have an idea of what we're looking for. If we just go here, I can show you guys the numbers. They are expecting basically a halt, so PMI to come out pretty much flat. So we'll see what happens there, but I am leaning more to dollar weakness now. Alright guys, let's just go into why we say this. So I always talk to you guys about, we're going to keep on repeating this so you guys can get this in your head. Your fundamentals is your why, your technicals is your win. Now we know, I said to you guys from Monday, we were trading up to come test this zone. We missed it yesterday. I think we tested 446 and we were looking for the 450. So pretty much hit it spot on. Had our rejection turned around. Today we're now trading bearish. Obviously I said today will give us a confirmation, but we will close bearish. Now for all my brothers that kept asking me about the gap, there you go. This is the bearish candle that's going to go for that gap now, so you guys can understand. But now we are bearish. You can see just absolutely waterfalling, and this is what was going to happen with the dollar. We told you guys we're in range. Same thing with gold. Expect that explosive expansion to come out of it. Absolutely falling off, not really even testing zones. Literally Asia highs, Asia lows, EQ, S1 tried to come back, absolutely melted off. Like, this thing is just dying at a very, very fast rate. So basically we are bearish, guys. That is a no-brainer for us right now. We just were bullish. I told you guys the whole time, that's why the weekly always stayed neutral. But if you were on here, you'd know we lean into bearish just because I wanted to see that test. The only time we were going to flip bullish on the dollar was once we could close above that 450 zone, then we would have been bullish. But obviously you can see it tested it and a massive rejection. So now that we know we've tested that, we've had that move up to the top side, we can start pulling back and just falling down again. So let's go over to gold, guys. I'm sure you guys can guess it. We are bullish. So firstly, I will always say it, well done to Jeff on that trade yesterday. As you can see, we had the 4-hour zone, absolutely tested beautifully. That's where Jeff entered and just ran away. Absolutely beautiful trade. But again, we said to you guys, now why I don't have a problem with that was if it broke, that gave me my entry for my sell. But the fact it didn't break and hold, what does that mean for me? Okay, just to show you quickly, if you want to talk about a green setup day, if you go over here, we're going to look at this. That was your market open, so which set the Asia range. So we can do that, and we can go over here, show you market close. Now let's take this away so you guys can see. Obviously market close is way above the market open. So that for you is a green setup day and a confirmation of your day 2, which obviously then we didn't take the lows, which I was talking to you guys about. So that literally has played out perfectly for us, and that confirms our day 2. So day 1, day 2. So again, guys, doesn't take rocket science, but what does that make today? Day 3, which is your explosive continuation. And I'm sure you guys can see what today's been doing already. So we were just waiting for that 2035. Once we are back above that 2035, that is where we're going to see the money come. So for me, I wouldn't be surprised for PMI to do something where it actually might come out. If it comes out flat, there will be dollar strength, but I don't think it's going to hold. And that's what I'm going to look for. I want this pullback to test Asia highs and that EQ, and just to turn around and absolutely go. So if we can pull back to here and hold this Asia highs and EQ, that's where I'm going to look to go long on gold today, guys. So that's what we're going to look for on that side. When we go over to NAS, let's look over here. Absolute same thing, pretty identical to what I said. If it comes out how I'm expecting, it will push them down. But again, I do not expect dollar strength to hold, even if it comes out in dollar favor. So that is why we'll see that bullish momentum come back. Otherwise, this thing is just going to absolutely continue. And for me, straight off the bat, there's no entry criteria on this. Yes, you've missed the move. There wasn't even actually an entry criteria for this. You've just missed it. So if it does give us that pullback, we can look for the entry on that. So let's even set the R1 is our first place to look for. On US 30, I spoke to you guys this morning. If you go over to the 1 hour, we are bullish as well. This was our breakaway zone, so you guys can see there. We wanted that retest. We came back, retested perfectly in the session. So there you guys go. You can see how I tested, the little break below test Asia highs, close back above. So literally anywhere, any one of these, you could have entered the gun early over there, or once you broke above with a break above, wait for the retest, that would have been your entry over there, and you would have just been smiling with this one. Absolutely running away. This is why, guys, I do encourage you to watch the opening bell. We do also trade there, and you can see how this thing has just run the whole day. An absolute 4R trade. What a banger of a trade. So let's just move over. But again, if we do get the pullback, I won't hesitate to take another trade on that zone. But I do think with US30, it gave us that intra-criterion opportunity. So that one has also come and gone. So my money is definitely on gold today. Gold's where I'm going to be looking to take my trades, as there's still a lot of cards to be played on gold. A lot of guys always talk about, oh, why didn't I buy here, the breakaways. I always told you guys, on a move like this, you will have that pullback. And we can see that starting to happen over here now. So that's why we should be patient, as I always tell you guys. That is it from me, guys. Quick little machine gun analysis. But Jeff, what are you looking at, my brother?
Okay, so just a disclaimer, guys. I might not trade today. I'm not actually, honestly, I'm not in the best mindset. Today was really a hectic day for myself. But if you have set up, we'll gooi it. Other than that, this zone here on top, you guys can see on the 4 hour, the R1 price almost tapped it. So that is a liquidity buildup there on DXY. So that will definitely be swept in due time. And then also we also have this gap which has not been filled as yet, so I do expect price to break through this gap, come to the S1, to the weekly open, and then test this demand zone. Now mind you, this is last week's open and we haven't swept that low as yet, so that is why I still consider this a potential demand. And also there's a fair value gap over there, so I'd like to see price basically trade back into this level and then move up to the supply zone and potentially move down. So very simple. Euro USD, I want to see price push up into the supply zone over here and then tap this Monday's liquidity, just slightly tap above it, close back below the weekly open, give us a fair value gap and change of character so that we can sell back towards the weekly open up until the daily open potentially. Then on GU, we are currently at last week's high. We have January's high here as well, so we also have the high of the year. So it'll be nice to potentially see price sweep above that level and then come back, change of character, fair value gap, and then take it towards the downside. Once again, I want to sell gold potentially if we do have something. So we already have price tap into that zone. Was very beautiful how we had inducement 1 through 3 pumps and slightly above that level. So I want to see change of character, basically see price break below that level and then find some sort of demand zone or fair value gap where we can tap into and then potentially come back towards the open, the EQ, and then potentially rise towards the upside. The other side of gold also is, if today we have any fast moves that takes place, this wick all the way down here at the Asian lows, if price comes all the way down here, we could look for longs at this level as well. And then on CAD Yen, I was actually looking for sells here this morning, and as you guys can see, price unfortunately didn't come to my zone, so there we have the weekly open and the daily open. So also over here, price has now basically formed this double bottom formation over here. So price could potentially go up to create liquidity and then basically come into the EQ or potentially the open and drop, but we'll wait and see what happens on CAD Yen. And last but not least, USD versus Turkish Lira. If we can have price come back into this demand zone to S2, I'm gonna go for longs on it. Very simple. Because on this pair, you cannot not be bullish. So yeah, that's pretty much it from my side. So we'll wait for our confirmations and then we'll swing it.
Hey, Jeff. I'm not even gonna say anything, bro. I'm not even gonna say anything. Hey, shit, man.
I missed this earlier, so I was the barber.
But let's see, guys. But let's just welcome everyone, y'all, guys. If you guys don't mind, please just drop a like. We really do appreciate it. That's all we ask for from you guys. We rock up, we show up every single day. That's literally all we just want from your side. It really does help the channel grow and just keep pushing those numbers for us. Good afternoon, G's and Chad. Let's go. How's it, guys? Yeah, quite a few of you guys are already interacting in the chat. So I'm not going to go through too much of it, but let's just go here. Sasha Cakes, always the hood good guy. Benjamin, Vince, Terry, Boss Bobby, Nilla, Who else are we seeing here? Sanveer, Hensku, Mark Pillay, Lucid Sniper, Marley Maritz, Amina, Drive Cartel. Welcome to all you guys. Always glad to see you guys back here the whole time. Absolutely love seeing you guys here. The show goes on, bro. So I'm still, it's a bang of a theme song. I love it. Tips hypes me up every time I'm about to come on the charts. So absolutely, it is a bang of a song. Watching with a nice cold Vintuk in hand, watching the Camps Bay waves go up and down vibes. Man, sounds like a proper trader here now. Sitting, having a beer, watching the beach. Absolutely. But I must say, it's very, very beautiful there in Camps Bay. Guys, as soon as you join the live stream, just click the like button quick fast. There we